So we are heading to the office. Another morning. Okay, so we're here. And today is kind of exciting because, you know, people are off celebrating Valentine's Day. And so we wanted to do something nice for our staff. I'm trying to keep my voice down so they don't hear me in the other room, which is why I'm in this like dark room right now. But I just want to surprise them with a little something to help brighten their day and let them know how much we love and appreciate them in honor of Valentine's Day. So we made like baggies for members of our staff. Mark and I are leaving for a marriage conference shortly, and so we just want to, you know, keep our staff kind of inspired and feeling appreciated as we go away, and also just show them some appreciation, let them know how much we appreciate them. I know I've said that so many times, but we really are grateful for all these people that are on our team that help us with our business. I'm going to sneak up on my team. My team is working. I'm going to show you what they look like when they're working. I'm just stalking my staff. Let's make sure they're working. No, I'm just kidding. What are you doing, Mark?
I am getting flyers ready.
Oh, what is your job?
My job?
Yeah.
Basically everything.
Oh,
I'm
nice.
just kidding. I am the real estate marketing assistant.
Oh. What do you market?
So I do physical flyers or digital, and it's everything related to the Costales tea brand.
Oh, nice. What do you do, Kim? Do you know yet? I'm just kidding.
I sit here and look pretty. Admin. Doing some paperwork right now.
Nice. Where is your paper work?
Digital.
And Mark, what do you do? Oh, you're not here. You're running around. What'd you do?
I just set an appointment
With who?
with a buyer for you.
Oh,
So
is that your job? What do you do?
I look on my phone and find people to buy a house. And my computer. These are my best friends. So if you want to buy or sell a home, get in my computer or my phone.
Bye, guys. Hi, guys.
Bye.
Later.
Happy Valentine's Day. Have fun with me. So we're gonna go distribute these bags now.
Oh my god. Thank you.
Where's Kathy?
Oh, our lunch.
Lunch.
Well, this is for Rachel.
Oh, Rachel. Okay. Thank you so much.
Nothing
Okay.
for Kathy. No.
This is-
Thank you.
No problem.
Good. This is for you.
You guys are so my Valentines.
Okay.
You're so sweet. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
You're so sweet.
Oh, speaking.
Everyone's just coming out. Happy Valentine's
Thank
Day.
you so much.
You're
This,
welcome.
you guys are a little bit too much.
Oh.
That's why I cannot return the favor to you guys.
Oh.
You can give me a hug right now. I'm just kidding. I'm recording.
Oh no, here, now you can. Now you can.
You're a hugger, aren't you?
So that's how we do it.
Yeah, so we're going to a marriage conference in Monterey
California, which is going to be hosted by our pastor, Ron Carpenter, as well as Pastor Hope Carpenter.
It is our first marriage conference that Mark and I will be attending today. We've been to multiple marriage events in the past. We've actually even spoken as a married couple. And technically this is our first quote-unquote marriage conference, all by, our attendance in other marriage activities and church events. And I'm just super, super excited to kind of see what this is about. This is actually the first marriage conference that our church is putting on ever since Pastor Ron and Hope took over our church, which was Jubilee. So ever since Jubilee became Redemption, it's the first time they're hosting a marriage conference. And so I guess we'll be the test guinea pigs. All right, so just got back into town from the marriage conference, and we are here at the office. You can see it is a Saturday night. There is no one else here. Hello, hello. We have our open house today, so I am picking up my assistant for today's open house. You can see we have the balloons already in the back. My car is filled with balloons and open house signs.
Mommy!
All right, so I just picked up my assistant for today's open house.
Hello!
And we're going to put out open house signs, get ready for our open house.
And like set up, Yeah. Oh, and look, we even got balloons. And some of them tried to flow out because they didn't want to be used. Why don't you want to be used? You get to be outside.
So,
Okay.
Mommy and Papa were gone for a couple of days, so did you miss us?
Yes. That's why I was crying when I FaceTimed you.
I know. But you understand why we had to go?
No.
You don't know where we went?
No.
We didn't tell you?
No.
Well, we're sorry we didn't tell you where we went. We went to a marriage conference.
Are you kidding me?
No. But do you understand why it was important for us to go?
Yes, I think.
How come?
Because you guys have to go.
Yeah.
But why? Whose marriage was it?
Well, it's for married people. So it's a conference for married people.
What if they have kids?
No kids were allowed, so no
What?
one brought their kids. Yeah, so everyone was there without their kids.
Yeah. So what type of things did you do there?
Well, we renewed our vows. We won a prize, which I haven't even opened yet, so I'll let you open it.
Yay!
We learned a lot about
Like what?
the Bible and understanding your spouse.
Huh? What's a
And
spouse?
your husband or your wife.
So technically your partner.
Yes.
So my mom's putting out this sign with the writer that says the Carter address.
Okay, so I just finished my open house. Mark just finished his open house. We both had very successful first open houses for a listing. We put 2 listings on the market yesterday, and so we split them up. We each did our own open house, and we had some amazing results. I had about 50 people at my open house. How many people did you have at yours?
I had about 25 to 30 groups, minimum 3 people per group. So if you did the math on that, that's about 75 people.
Dang.
So it's a lot of people.
Yeah, I had more than 50 then too, if we do with the math.
It was an awesome open house, a great day. It was, the weather said it was going to be raining, but it was a beautiful day.
Oh
out.
my gosh, yeah, so nice.
So I even tried to tell people that there was another open house that we're holding that our team was hosting in South San Francisco. So if they maybe came, they maybe didn't. But it was definitely awesome. We're ready to get 50 out of the 75.